Yeah, bread label and how much one of them? I'm raising and all of them things there. My fruits are soaked from when time when you see me. Wagwan, what's great. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
They know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Yo, man, I tell you, out the wicked in the morning, my friend. Yeah, man, we're trapped inside. Could go nowhere this morning, kids them couldn't even go to school. This is what we call a snow day, pretty. This is at least a 4-inch snow off the ground. We snowed in, you see that? A car park. You want snow that in front of the car? So the car fully covered. Not fully, but oh. Yeah, man. Snow day in the morning, yeah. Because snow, you see how thick the snow be on the top of the car. How much inch this would I want to say? Yeah, 3 to 4 inches of snow, man. That are just on the car. To clean up this off your car, because if you don't, it's illegal to drive like this. I'm sending you them go to school this morning. Yo, this is snow here compact and heavy, you know? Sure. Then I see I can go grab some stuff right now for you call it the bake cake. Because today our date. Today is the 10th of December. Can you believe I don't have a fruit cake for my counter yet? Normally before December even start, I have fruit cake ready to eat. And this time around, I don't eat nothing yet. You know what I say? And this is not me. I typically have my fruit cake them ready. I go show out now. See if I can grab some stuff for my fruit cake, you see me? Oh God. Yeah, I never can record it. So if people don't like them record at them place, so you carry a slide. So you have red label and how much one of them? Let's see the price. No price. Find out how much red label wine. I have rum already. What me like when that snow you fall, the place nice and warm, you know, as cold, you can do outside without no gloves and them thing there. Alright, so I pull up here now for the mat. Yes, father. Wow, good snow. Big pile of snow come like a mall. But that parking lot alone and creep that one there. And that one there. So yeah, just pull up a Walmart, you know, me I tell you. Out the road. Place monkey, me normally wash the car every other day. Come I have this membership and I just pay fee at the end of the month, so you can wash your car every day, drive through and vacuum it out. But total I don't look at make sense more wash your car. But I go drive through there after I done do the buying, you know. Yeah, because as I say, it's too late in December for me to have a fruit cake on the table and no man. I don't like that, I don't my style that. You see me? So I go grab some eggs separately for that. I just grab the red label wine at the liquor store or the beer store. I could jump in a Walmart, you know. Jump in a Walmart and sort out. Yeah, people. Loan, slush. As I say, I can't find my winter shoes. There you go. Grab away I grab. But we not grab no bag. See what I got now. And if them have no thing there. All in so wet to what I got. All of them can't lock up. Yeah. I'm not a dollar for me, I'm not a kind. Everything lock up. So I just have to go. No, so never run out of them cat. You need money for run out of them? Do you need money for run out of them? test it. No, me never test one of them yet though. We'll try this. So there you go. What? Eh? Hmm? Oh. Okay. What? Oh. A chicken boy. Yo. Me a work it today. Eh. Yo. Alright. Don't forget the mission. You want lime, yo. You want lime, you see me? It's for the people I need it, but I two of them did I need it. I don't care for my food now. Oh, man, I catch you chief now. You see that now? Yeah. It's so nice, fresh lime. So one them with a nice skin because of the rind we really want. You know how much for lime? 50 cents per one. Me about four. Four nice lime in need. You see me? Reverse feedback. You see? While they say fret, you say, could I walk come back feedback, brother? Hey, whoa. I want to know, man. I threw me up on that chair, make me clumsy, sir. Oh, I don't want that one. That one ugly, man. We don't want this one. Road. You see me? See floor there in that lane. Regular all-purpose. This will do. Much for this? A 3 something. What size is that? No need more than this, still, you know. Yeah, man, we don't need more than that. I'm raising and all of them things there. My fruits are soaked from when time when. You see me? Oh, sugar. I should. You know, so I'm going to grab sugar because the sugar I have right now are the grainy one. I'm going to like that grainy sugar. I like this one. My hand them look dry, so I like this soft one because it's easier to mix out. So I'm going to grab 2 of that for sugar. Beep. Oh, can't blow me on. Watch it, you know, uncle. Take a wide turn. Just in case nobody in the way. Oh, I need water. So I can get water for my way right there. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, I grab it up with water there. Bathroom tissue. Alright, so water aisle there. Nope. Well, I guess the water the down there, so we'll get it back. Alright, I bust a Yui. You know, I'm gonna change up, you know. Yo, my body, you know? Yo, you know, say, hey, funny enough, you know. Let me flip the camera and reason, you know. You see, weirdly enough, remember back in 2015, them time I get my license. Like, I literally get my license 2 days before Jamir born. 2 days, Jamir born, after Jamir born. Jamir born this Sunday. So I get my license on the 27th of January 2015. Can't forget. When Jamir born, a bus stop me there. I wait for a bus, cool 12 o'clock at night for reach home. I have a car, you know. Them time I have to park up, you see me? But you know how I used to practice my driving test? Like when I there at work, when we work at this restaurant, we used to have one little dolly. Or put the meat them pan and sitting and that means to use and I steer. So say I'm there at Walmart now, I drive a little car there. And some I practice forward, you know, I tell you no. So some little things that some people that look down upon, man, just use it for your advantage and know yourself, my friend. And things like them I used to practice pan, but I never if you learn to drive, when I there work, I push a car and sit. So there. You know, so I take this thing to a next level because I can really get up and take up a sit them, you know. Why am I sit down and I take up it? I kind of hard working lazy man, maybe. Yeah, 3 case of water, man. So the outside, you know. Alright, so we get the water. We need butter now and we need egg. butter them, more the man could I get shit the butter for use, you know. Some chiffon, but we don't think Walmart sells chiffon. If we go to Caribbean store for that. Alright, no, so that one I'm gonna go grab though. You grab 2 of them unsalted butter, yeah. See, that will do it for the cake. Alright, like I say, if we have everything. So we have the lime, yes. We have the butter, flour, or egg now. So we need to secure the egg. Alright, so the egg I know what we want. And we're done. How much egg we want? Need about. Okay. $7. How much is this? $6. But I'm buy one of big tray of egg, you know. Because I eat only for egg for breakfast. So I go just buy the I just buy that big thing of egg for $9. Egg from plants. I'm telling people, man. Let's grab one of this. Me don't make me, they want large egg, but I say it go. Car kind of move slow, you know, you see me? Alright, battery are dead. Car battery are dead, you know. So now I got light the little kid in me or so and drive around. Remember, I have one car park up what I do, they said. I'm there and I start drive people in car, like I say. Scooter, like I say, my little bikini. Right now, I feel like more do a Walmart tour. You see me? It's a Walmart tour more on the right now. Nah, I got like it, but that walk, but I better off it. That faster, but the difference is if I not kind to get no trolley outside. So this I put all of my grocery in it. It's a win-win. Because we can rest my young foot, you see? Yeah, man. Right, man. Now going and now. Oh. So one thing right there, so. Self-checkout right there, so. How much money we got? $20 already for? Eh? Serious? $20 already, my father. Alrighty, ready to go? Got a receipt, $40, not bad. I got everything. Alright, take care. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, a bit shocky out, man, isn't it? Alright, I couldn't find nothing. No, go ahead. Okay. Sorry, go ahead. No, go ahead. Hey. Yeah, go get a bad man park, you know. That's the show no man can drive, you see me? Yeah, wrap up in nice. Beautiful. See, they not even use this one. Two of them with the left right. Alright, so the thing is now, I have to carry out dinner. Yeah, so I have to leave my stuff inside there and come back out for a bag. Man, this never anticipate the water and them things, you know. So if somebody just walk and see me stuff them I want to take up it, then good, they have groceries. But the blood of Jesus, nobody not got trouble it. If you walk come back I carry come get bags, come on. So we can go. Oh yeah. There we go. Whoa. Be water, do you talk to my father? So $40. A line on a $40 line, come and spend $20 a while ago at the liquor store to get the thing there, they call it. You get the red label. I've turn off the camera in the car. Can't carry all of them, man. So check back in. Ah, whoa. We made it. You know what I do all I go? I put the grocery bag on my hand. I'm lift up all 3 cases of water and walk with them. I'm breathless. But yeah. I don't know if I'm going to continue this one, I bake. But you know what? I'm going to leave the baking part for our next video. But if you are interested in my cake recipe, you don't know, you can check out the link in the description. I have a fruit cake recipe card for sale. Check out the link if you're vegan. I have one fruit cake, a vegan style fruit black cake for sale. I have a Christmas ebook with 15 recipes. That's also on sale. Just use code MTC12. Is it MCT12 to get 12% off, and 12 representing the month, the 12th month of the year, December. So, and that ends on the 12th of December. So today is the 10th. You still have 2 more days to go to use up that coupon code MTC12 for 12% off any purchase on the link in the description box. Again, you can get 15 recipes for Christmas. All of the hit recipes that you can guarantee if you got a Jamaican household and get. You have the fried dumpling. You have the Scotch bonnet maple glazed ham. You have the fruit cake. You see me? You have the sorrel. You have the rice and peas. You have the Hennessy spiked eggnog. You have so much more. 15 recipes, all delicious recipes. Just check out the link in the description box to purchase your Morris Time Cooking Christmas ebook. I'm going to leave a picture right here. And if you don't have that much, or you just don't want those recipes, just want to learn how to make the fruit cake like me, which has over 1 million views on YouTube, tons of positive reviews. Check out the link again in the description. That one is for about $1.99 or something like that. You can just purchase the recipe card, just give it the recipe and instructions for the fruit cake itself. You see me? Or if you want the 2 fruit cake, the vegan style, the regular fruit cake, and you want the bun, the Easter bun, and you want my Jamaican patty recipe, because those 4 things are near and dear to me. It took me years to develop those recipes. So I sell them for a small price. If you want those, I sell them as a baking bundle. You see me? So instead of getting 4 of those recipes on their own, you can get the bundle for the price of 2. So check out the description box and still get 12% off until 12th of December. So check out the description box and you can check out the Morris Time Cooking PHIP website where you can see all of my ebooks and recipe cards that I have available for sale. So big up on yourself. Make sure you're on the start. Me slacking. I should have had cake since the 1st of December already, but me just say no. I'm going to start baking now. So that is it. Big up on yourself, my friend. Enough love for the love. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up yourself.